Let's see how to make spring onion and dal curry. For that, take half cup of moong dal, soak it for 10 minutes, then add salt and turmeric and cook it for 5 whistles. Now the dal is cooked well. Now we can add 1 sliced onion and 3 green chilies and a bunch of freshly chopped spring onion. Now we can make the coconut paste with half cup of coconut and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. For the tempering, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 dry red chili, few curry leaves and 1 onion sliced. Mix it well and that's it. The curry is ready. Now we can serve it with rice or roti.